In the heart of a magnificent kingdom, Princess Amelia was known for her unparalleled beauty and wisdom. Her life seemed perfect from the outside, with suitors vying for her hand and a court filled with grandeur. However, Amelia's heart was troubled by an impossible love that defied all expectations. She had fallen deeply in love with a commoner named Thomas, a humble artist whose soul seemed to resonate with hers. Their love was pure and genuine, but the societal expectations and royal obligations that surrounded her made their union nearly impossible. Thomas and Amelia's secret meetings were moments of profound joy amidst the constraints of their world. They would rendezvous in hidden gardens and moonlit alcoves, sharing dreams and promises of a future together. Yet, the weight of Amelia's royal duty loomed large. Her father, the king, had arranged a marriage with a powerful duke to secure political alliances and ensure the stability of the kingdom. Amelia found herself torn between her duty to her family and her longing to be with Thomas. The tension reached its peak on the eve of her arranged wedding. Amelia was cloaked in a magnificent gown, but her heart was heavy with sorrow. She had to confront the painful reality that her future was not hers to choose. As she stood in the grand hall, preparing to walk down the aisle, her thoughts drifted to Thomas. She knew that following her father's wishes would mean leaving behind the man who had captured her heart and soul. The pressure was immense, and the thought of living a life devoid of true love was unbearable. As Amelia took her final steps toward the altar, a quiet resolve settled within her. With a heavy heart, she made a decision that would change everything. She left the ceremony and sought out Thomas, choosing to abandon her royal title and the life she had known for the chance to be with him. They fled into the night, leaving behind a kingdom that would never understand their sacrifice. Their future was uncertain, but Amelia embraced the freedom of following her heart, knowing that true love was worth every challenge they faced.